Unbelievable AI inventions you didn't know existed. When we think of artificial intelligence, our minds often jump to chatbots like ChatGPT, self-driving cars, or AI-generated art. While these are impressive, they are just the tip of the iceberg. AI is quietly powering a wave of extraordinary inventions in fields you might never expect, solving some of humanity's most complex problems. Here are a few unbelievable AI-powered creations that are already changing the world. 1. The AI biologist, solving the puzzle of life. For 50 years, scientists struggled with the tricky protein folding problem. Proteins are the workhorses of our cells, and their function is determined by their intricate 3D shape. By training on a massive database of known protein structures, AlphaFold learned to predict a protein's 3D shape with astonishing accuracy. This is not just an academic achievement, it is a revolution. Now, InnoZes are bringing olfaction into the digital age. In the food industry, it can detect spoilage or contamination with superhuman accuracy. This technology could even be used in environmental monitoring to instantly detect harmful pollutants in the air. AI is transforming agriculture into a high-tech precision science. Smart farms now deploy fleets of AI-powered drones and robots, fields and historical sites, creating a future we are only just beginning to imagine. These devices use an array of chemical sensors that generate a unique signal pattern when exposed to an odor. A machine learning algorithm is then trained to recognize these patterns and identify the specific smell. Scientists can now rapidly understand diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, which are linked to misfolded proteins, and accelerate the design of life-saving drugs. AlphaFold has effectively provided a cheat code for biology. Instead, it's an array of sensitive chemical sensors that are submerged in a liquid sample. This pattern acts as a digital taste print for that specific liquid. Each sensor is designed to react slightly differently to the chemical compounds responsible for the core tastes: salty, sweet, sour, bitter, and umami. Predicting this shape from a sequence of amino acids was an incredibly complex task. Enter AlphaFold, an AI system developed by Google's DeepMind. For example, it might learn the specific taste print of a perfectly ripe strawberry, a spoiled batch of milk, or contaminated drinking water. The AI can detect minute variations in flavor profiles that a human taster might miss, ensuring the bottle of wine you buy today tastes exactly the same as the one you bought last month. The AI analyzes this data to pinpoint areas that need water, fertilizer, or are under attack from pests. Then, autonomous ground robots can be dispatched to take action with incredible precision. Some can even identify individual weeds and eliminate them with a targeted microdose of herbicide or a quick laser blast. They can provide real-time alerts if they detect pollutants or dangerous contaminants, offering a much faster response than traditional lab testing. Its ability to objectively and tirelessly analyze taste makes it an incredibly powerful tool for industry, health, and environmental safety, drastically reducing chemical usage and improving crop yields. If you found these inventions as mind-blowing as we did, do us a huge favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And to make sure you never miss out on the next jaw-dropping piece of tech, smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you're the first to know. We want to hear from you. Which of these AI inventions amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. AI is now the archaeologist's most powerful tool for discovery. It can distinguish between authentic extra virgin olive oil and a cheaper, diluted version, or identify high-quality coffee beans from inferior ones. An e-tongue can objectively measure the level of bitterness and help scientists efficiently test different flavor-masking formulations. These systems can identify subtle patterns in the terrain that indicate the presence of ancient roads, buildings, and even entire cities hidden for centuries, such as lost settlements in the Amazon rainforest. Furthermore, AI-powered natural language processing is being trained on ancient damaged texts. These models can fill in missing words or even translate forgotten languages, unlocking the secrets of historical artifacts that have long remained silent. 2. The AI archaeologist, unearthing lost history. History is filled with mysteries buried under dense jungles or lost to time in undecipherable texts. Researchers are using AI models to analyze satellite imagery and LiDAR data, which can see through forest canopies. 3. The digital nose AI that can smell while AI has mastered sight and language. The sense of smell has been a final frontier. The applications are staggering. In medicine, an AI nose could diagnose diseases like cancer or Parkinson's simply by analyzing the chemical compounds in a patient's breath. 4. The robotic farmer. Precision agriculture feeding the world's growing population sustainably is a monumental task. Drones equipped with multispectral cameras fly over fields, creating detailed health maps of the crops. From decoding life itself to unearthing lost cities, these hidden AI marvels demonstrate that the true AI revolution isn't just happening on our screens. It's happening in labs. Just as AI is learning to master the sense of smell with a digital nose, it is also being developed to replicate the sense of taste with a device known as the electronic tongue. This technology is another fascinating example of AI moving beyond data and pixels to interact with the chemical world. Here's a breakdown of how it works and what it's used for. The AI tongue. Digitizing taste. An electronic tongue doesn't look like a human tongue. Sensing. When the sensors are exposed to a liquid like coffee, wine, or even water, they produce a unique pattern of electrical signals. Learning. A machine learning model is then trained on thousands of these taste prints from known samples. Classifying. Once trained, the AI can instantly analyze a new sample, compare its taste print to its database, and make a highly accurate judgment. Unbelievable applications of the e-tongue. The applications are just as impressive as those for the e-nose and are primarily focused on quality control and analysis. The unbribable wine taster. Wineries and breweries use iTongues to ensure batch-to-batch consistency, fighting food fraud. The iTongue is a powerful tool against counterfeit products. Making medicine palatable. One of the biggest challenges in pharmaceuticals is masking the often bitter taste of drugs, especially for children's medicine. Environmental guardian. Electronic tongues are deployed to monitor water quality in rivers and reservoirs. In short, while the AI tongue doesn't enjoy flavor in the human sense. So, from AI that can design life-saving drugs and unearth lost cities to electronic tongues that can taste test wine, we've seen that the future is already here, working in ways we never imagined.